Hello, my name is Alace Bloom. I'm a very lewd VTuber. This guide will show you how to easily turn an audio file into a Lipsync VMD file for MikuMikuDance from MikuMikuMoving. First download following. I'll cut links to them in the description. You can also find them on the GitHub page, so download MikuMikuMoving English. LipSynchloid plugin for MikuMikuMoving by Notoa. Function converter by human. AutoIt. Finpack for Windows, if not already installed on your PC. And optionally, Ultimate Vocal Remover, which can remove voices from music and background sounds and clean the audio. Next, we'll download this repository. Click on the code button, then download zip. Now we have all the files we'll need. Next, right-click on the MikuMikuMoving zip file. Go to Properties, check the Unblock checkbox, and click on OK. Also do this with the VMD converter zip file and the LipSynchloid zip file. This is needed so MikuMikuMoving can access the files like the DLL on Windows. Next, unzip all the zip files. Afterwards, you can delete the zip files if you want. Now go to the AutoIt folder, open the X and follow the wizard to install AutoIt. I already have it installed on my PC, so I'll skip this step. Next, open UVR, which is short for Ultimate Vocal Remover. Then go through the wizard to install it. I already have this installed as well, so I'll skip this step. Next, go into the FFmpeg folder, Bing, and then copy FFmpeg. Then go back out of the folder and into the VMD-Automatic-Lip-Synchronization folder and paste FFmpeg there. Next, go back and cut the VMD converter folder. Then go into the VMD-Automatic-Lip-Synchronization folder and paste it there. Inside this VMD converter folder is its exe file. Next, go back. Then go into the LipSynchloid folder and cut the LipSynchloid DLL file. Then go back, enter the MikuMikuMoving folder, then the plugins folder, then paste LipSynchloid DLL there. Next, go back to the start and we can delete the FFmpeg and LipSynchloid folders. Now enter the VMD-Automatic-Lip-Synchronization folder. Right-click the audio to 48 kHz that file and go to Properties, then uncheck Unblock and click on OK. Also do this with the VMDs that you've refiled. This step might not be needed to run these scripts, but you might see a warning when running them since these are user-made scripts. With this, the setup is now complete and we can start converting our audio file. Okay, first optionally open Ultimate Vocal Remover if you would like to separate only the voice. Click on Select Input and choose your WAV file. Then click on Select Output and choose the folder you want to save the converted file in. Then make sure the WAV radio button is selected. Check Do Conversion checkbox if your PC has a GPU. If the conversion doesn't work though, you can try turning off this option. Next, check the Vocals Only checkbox and make sure Sample Mode is unchecked. Now click on Start Processing and it will start separating the voice. After a while, it should show a Process Complete message on the bottom, which means it's complete. I was just showing you for example here, since the audio file I'm using is already voice only. Now close Ultimate Vocal Remover. Next, drag and drop your audio file to audio to 48 kHz 16-bit WAV.dat file, which will convert the audio file and encoding that Lipsync cross-hold can use. Lipsyncloid will give you an error if audio file is encoded differently. After a bit, it should create a new audio file with 48 kHz in the file name. Note, this converted audio is lower quality, so it's recommended that you only use this for creating the damn file. Next, go back and enter the MikuMikuMoving folder and open MikuMikuMoving. Then click on the load model and load the MikuMikuDance model. If you need a model, I'll include a link to the MikuMikuDance program, which includes the default models. Click on OK, then drag and drop the new audio file into MikuMikuMoving. Then click on the Plugins tab and click on LipSynchloid. After a while, it should convert and you'll see a message written in Japanese. Click OK. You can confirm it loaded by zooming in on the model and dragging the mouse across the numbers on the timeline to see if the mouse moves. Next, go to the File tab and click on Export Motion. Click on the VM file radio button, then uncheck Sender, and then click on the triangle on the left side of the first folder with Japanese words beside it. Then check A, E, I, and O checkboxes. Now click on the three dots on the other side of Output File and select the Save Location and File Name. Then click on Save. Now click on Export and it will create the VMD file and show a message saying it is completed. Click OK. You can close MikuMikuMoving now if you want. We have a VMD file now, however it is not optimized. For example, if the file is several minutes long and you open it in MikuMikuDance, you may get an error about the file being over the max number of points. This is because the Lipsync plugin we use writes to every single frame, which creates a lot of extra data the file doesn't need. However, we can fix this and make the file way smaller by cleaning and optimizing it. So next, run the VMD Let's Clean and optimize a U3 file. Select your VMD file and click Open. It will now start optimizing the file. It does this by converting it to a CastView file, cleaning the CastView file, then converting it back to a VMD file. It will make two sounds during the whole process and show tooltips. The first sound it makes is for when it converts it to a CastView file, and the second is when it converted it back to a clean VMD file. This may take a bit depending on how big the VMD file is. After it's finished, a message saying complete appeared and you'll have your final VMD file. You can delete the other VMD file now if you like. Here is an example of me running the new VMD file in MikuMikuDance along with the audio file. Hi there, my name is Alace1Bloom. It's nice to meet you. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'm gonna use this to make HE and hentai videos for Aurora in the future. That's all. Thank you for watching.